Oh no, snow class trip. Hello everybody, once next when we are going on holiday class trips to Limassol next. I am going the level at 8:30 am y return of 4:30 p.m. On during the trip, we are going to see many animals and learn about others' habitats. Tour is a trip where our goal is to cement meaning and hummus and lure what their habitats. Please bring a water bottle, snacks, a hat in sunscreen because it will be sunny. Please bring unwind the bath tool, snack, hats, and some screens because it will the sun. However, where are you going to feed the animals? So false the rules. Go and board. Where are you going to feed the animals? So follow the rules. This trip is going to be fun and educational, so don't forget to join us. This trip is going to be fun and enjoy can should know so don't forget to join us.